In 2006, Sara Ramirez was cast on Grey's Anatomy as Dr. Callie Torres. She was on the show for 11 seasons, television's longest-running bisexual character.
It was very difficult to see myself anywhere in television, and I know that there are a lot of queer identifying women of color who identify as bisexual and want to be seen and want to feel respected. So I feel that Callie being a sexually realized character on Grey's Anatomy was very important.
Callie was a three-dimensional, full woman who was bisexual, and it wasn't as though she was on her way to being gay. She was truly bisexual.
So I'm bisexual, so what? It's a thing, and it's real.